Hello, citizens of the world. Have you ever dreamed of a world where freedom and equality are accessible to everyone? Today's world gives us the opportunity to make that dream a reality. The development of blockchain technology opens the doors to fairer financial systems, systems that serve people, not just privileged elites. We are thrilled to introduce PiCoin, a token created for the community and by the community. PiCoin is more than just a token. It is a symbol of our shared vision of a world where everyone, regardless of their background or resources, has an equal opportunity to participate in the global financial ecosystem. PiCoin was created with transparency and equality in mind. Thanks to the Pump.Fund platform on the Solana blockchain, the token offers a fair launch, no presale and no team allocation. Everyone has an equal chance to become part of this project. The symbol pi we have chosen is a universal sign of infinity and endless discovery. Just as the number pi is fundamental in mathematics, combining infinite precision with the harmony of science, PiCoin can become a bridge between technology and community, inspiring people to work together in building a new financial future. We want to build a world where financial systems serve everyone, not just the few. We believe that blockchain is a technology with the potential to change the world and strengthen communities across the globe. History shows that when people unite, they can achieve anything. PiCoin is an opportunity to demonstrate the power of a community built on shared values. Together, we can create something truly extraordinary, a global community that changes the future of finance forever. Investment risk notice. Investing in cryptocurrencies, including PiCoin, carries a high level of risk. The value of the token may increase or decrease, and in the worst-case scenario, investors may lose their entire investment. The content of this speech is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, it is recommended to consult a financial advisor. Always invest only funds you are prepared to lose.